Fast forward in the future today, the Boss of Electricity, HBS, in conjunction with the Melvin Williams Gutierrez Foundation for Renewable Alternative Energy and the Renewable Alternative Energy Corporation of the Bahamas, HBS, we are in the garden of renewable alternative energy, showcasing the future of sustainability in the Bahamas, and of course, our past, the debt of the utility. Let's get this show cranking. The future and sustainability of the Bahamas look great. All right, we're taking a tour in the garden of renewable alternative energy where everything is powered by solar. As you can see, our goal by 2030 is to have at least 50% of the Bahamas running on renewable alternative energy. And we start right here. The garden is showcasing solar power lights, EV charging infrastructure, inverter and solar air conditions, and etc. All right, as you can see, it's a beautiful array right here. You're walking through the garden. As you can see, nature at its best. Everything is sustainable and renewable. Imagine having not to pay for electricity. Everything is free, clean, and green. LED lights, solar power fans, and etc. Let's get started with the equipment. All right, we on top of the roof by our microgrid plant with our 6K expandable solar system, 400 watt wind turbine system, and 6 400 watts solar panels right here. Very popular. Everybody in the Bahamas is now booking these systems right here. They're very expandable. They can scale up to 7.5K of raw power. We have array number 1, which is our western array. Then we get array number 2, which is our eastern array. Now, as you can see, they are series together and then they are parallel to form roughly about 2,500 watts or 18 amps. And then there's a hybrid system with our wind turbine right here. We're producing about 400 watts. All right, we in our microgrid room right here, and we got the EG4 expandable inverter system. This is the most popular system in the Bahamas. Everybody and a mother are booking these. The system can run grid tie, can run off grid, interactive, with a generator, without a generator, with no battery, etc. Very powerful. As you can see, line to neutral, we have 116 volts, etc. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you our EG4 lithium battery technology. So advanced, the utility think this alien. You know, as you can see right here, the battery bars is charging up, come off a deep discharge, and is UL listed. So it exceeded Ministry of Works and the utility, who is now dead. Cool. All right, we out in the back and we have our wind turbine mast right here. Awesome. It bolted down nice and solid on a 2 feet by 2 feet slab, reinforced. And this is solid. We have our flex going back here to disconnect. And then we have our distribution panel right here. And everything is grounded. All right, let's take a walk right here. Let's give you a quick little summary of some of our loads we powering. All right, we got our LED lights right here, super energy efficient. We have translucent panel to let daylight in. We got our pumping system and our reverse osmosis system right here. As you can see, we have our distribution panel. And everything is beautiful. We're gonna take a tour of BPL Watery Grave so we could learn a lesson from fossil fuel. Going to the graveside of formerly BPL, where they fused the initiative Renewable Alternative Energy, and of course the death of them. All right, we at the gravesite of the former utility BPL. You understand? They refused to implement renewable alternative energy at a fast pace, so of course they end up dying, and the whole Bahamas switched to renewable 5 years in advance. The future is definitely today, and the time is now. Log on to www.hbssystem.com to learn more about our 6K expandable hybrid system right here. Or give us a call now, 436-37494. Energy. Fast forward the future today.